Mapping the source audio channels. So when I have typically a video clip and it's set in stereo, the stereo is placed into one audio track. So the left and right channels are placed into one track. There are times when I need to manipulate those individual channels. I might want to put effects on them, etc. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this stereo tracks to mono. So how we're going to do this, we're going to come over here to our clip in our project panel. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go up to modify, over to audio channels. In the audio channels, you can see how it's set to stereo. I'm going to change that to mono. You can see I only have one channel now. I'm going to change the number of audio clips to 2. All right, and I've picked down in here. You see I have 2 different channels now. And this is all good so far. And I want this to be on clip 2, and all this is good. And what I want to do now is hit OK. And there's an OK cancel bottom, or OK cancel button on the bottom of the screen, and I can't move this up. So I'm going to do a little hocus pocus. I'm going to just drag this over to my second monitor that you can see, and I'm going to hit OK. So I'm going to drag it over. I'm going to hit OK, and it's made its changes now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, and in my project panel, I'm going to grab a hold of my clip here. I'm going to drag it over. I'm going to place it, and I'm going to say keep existing settings. And you'll notice over here that I now have 2 different tracks. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this down just a little bit, and I'm going to come up here and pull A2 down just a little bit. And you can see now that I have a left and a right track in 2 separate tracks, an A1 and A2. All right. Now, this allows me then to manipulate each one, so I could actually come in here and turn off one of them, and I can play this. So I'm muting A2 right now. Flashing metals through the gates of Appalachia. Came running to the west. Came running from your worries. So right now I have separated out these 2 tracks, the stereo track, into 2 separate audio tracks. All right, and so then we can apply some audio effects to them, etc.